under the small medium taxpayer category? Have you faced hassles while getting your tax disputes resolved? Wished that the process turned online? Here comes a sigh of relief for you. Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) has now formed a committee to settle tax disputes involving small taxpayers and has also notified a e-dispute resolution scheme 2022 to dispose of applications in a faceless manner. As per the newly notified e-dispute resolution scheme, the settlement of tax disputes for small taxpayers will be completely processed in an electronical manner. Taxpayers having total return income up to Rs 50 lakh having income tax disputes not exceeding 10 lakh rupees will be able to avail this scheme. So what is the procedure to avail the e-scheme? You can apply for dispute resolution by filing an application electronically for dispute resolution to the DRC committee. Application shall be filled in the form number 34 BC within 1 month from the date of receipt. Application has to be sent to the official email ID of the DRC along with proof of payment of tax and a fees of 1000 rupees. Tax expert Sunil Singh says that though the scheme is a positive step in mitigating the tax litigation, but the scheme may not be very popular among the taxpayer for two reasons. Firstly, a lot of tax litigation are out of the purview of the scheme as it will cover only those cases where variation in income does not exceed 10 lakh rupees and return income of such person is not in excess of 50 lakh rupees. In his opinion, the scheme should be modified to cover tax disputes up to 50 lakh rupees without any condition of return income, which will make it more effective and result in reducing tax litigation. Secondly, the order passed by the Dispute Resolution Committee is not appealable. CBDT also notified in the official gazette the constitution of DRC, that is Dispute Resolution Committee, which shall consist of 3 members including 2 retired officers from the Indian Revenue Service and 1 serving officer not below the rank of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax. DRC on receipt of proof of payment from the SSC can provide waiver of penalty imposable and immunity from prosecution. No appeal or revision shall lie against the modified order. Taxpayers will not be required to appear before tax officials either personally or through an authorized representative under this scheme, and the entire communication will be in electronic mode. All communications between the DRC and the SSC or the authorized representative of the SSC shall be exchanged exclusively by electronic mode. Money9 suggests, if you too have any tax disputes, then you can take advantage of the e-dispute resolution scheme. This dispute settlement process is completely faceless, so you have to convey your queries through email. Keep in mind, whenever you write an email, explain your issue with complete clarity. If you are not able to do so, then you can take help of an expert.